Case study, AI model from CV data lake candidate selection diagram. The Sankey diagram can be highly beneficial for project management professionals, PMPs, in visualizing and analyzing project workflows and data flows. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Folder, 10030. Mentorship Program. The diagram illustrates a case study workflow for analyzing and visualizing candidate data, for recruitment purposes. Here's a detailed explanation of its components and flow. Components and flow. 1. CV database, RDBMS. The process starts with a CV database, stored in a relational database management system, RDBMS. This is the repository of all candidate CVs and related data, example names, skills, experience, qualifications. 2. Python program, data extraction. A Python program is used to extract data from the CV database. The extracted data is structured into a pandas data frame, a tabular data format ideal for analysis and manipulation in Python. 3. Data filtering/processing. Another Python program is applied to the initial data frame. This step involves filtering candidates based on specific criteria, example years of experience, domain expertise. Transforming or enriching the data to prepare it for further analysis. The output of this step is a refined data frame of selected candidates that meet the predefined criteria. 4. Visualization. The selected candidate's data is visualized using line charts, could show trends, such as the number of selected candidates over time. Bar charts, could compare categories like experience levels, skill distributions, or domain expertise. Purpose. This workflow is designed to 1. Extract candidate information from a database. 2. Filter candidates based on selection criteria. 3. Analyze the selected candidates. 4. Visualize insights for better decision-making. Tools and technologies. RDBMS, for storing CVs and candidate information. Python, for data extraction, processing, and visualization. Pandas, for data frame creation and manipulation. Matplotlib/Seaborn, used for generating the charts. Explanation of the Sankey diagram and graphs. 1. Sankey diagram. Purpose, visualizes the flow of data from the CV database to the final selection of candidates. Nodes. CV database, represents the total pool of candidates. Filtered data frame, shows the subset of candidates who meet initial filtering criteria. Selected candidates, displays the candidates who have been selected after further evaluation. Links. The thickness of the flow between nodes represents the number of candidates at each stage. For instance, from CV database to filtered data frame indicates how many candidates met the initial filtering criteria. From filtered data frame to selected candidates shows how many were finally selected. Colors. Nodes and flows are color-coded for clarity, example blue for the database, orange for filtered data, and green for selected candidates. 2. Bar chart. Purpose, displays the experience, in years, of the selected candidates. X-axis, names of the selected candidates, example Amit, Rahul, Sneha, Mira. Y-axis, experience of each candidate in years. Colors, experience levels are visually differentiated using a continuous color scale, varieties. 3. Line chart. Purpose, illustrates the trend in the experience of the selected candidates. X-axis, names of the selected candidates. Y-axis, experience, in years. Features. A marker is plotted for each candidate to emphasize their experience level. The line connects the markers, showing a trend in the candidate's experience. Insights. The Sankey diagram gives an overview of the recruitment process flow, emphasizing the reduction in candidates at each stage. The bar chart highlights individual experience levels, showing who has the most or least experience among the selected candidates. The line chart visualizes the progression of experience levels, which can help identify patterns, example if the selection skews towards higher experience. The Sankey diagram can be highly beneficial for project management professionals, PMPs, in visualizing and analyzing project workflows and data flows. Here are some key ways it can help. 1. Understanding resource flow. Visualization of data pipelines. The Sankey diagram illustrates how resources, tasks, or data flow through different stages of a process. For example, in recruitment, it shows the transition from the CV database to the final selection of candidates. Identifying bottlenecks. PMP practitioners can identify stages where there are significant drops in flow, such as high rejection rates or delays in processing. 2. Enhancing decision-making. Resource allocation. By visualizing the distribution and loss of resources across stages, PMPs can decide where to allocate more effort or improve efficiency. Process optimization. The diagram highlights inefficiencies in workflows, enabling managers to refine processes and improve throughput. 3. Tracking project metrics. Milestone progression. In projects, a Sankey diagram can represent task completion rates or resource utilization, showing how efforts translate into deliverables. Variance analysis. PMPs can compare planned versus actual resource usage or outputs to ensure the project stays on track. 4. Communicating complex processes. Stakeholder communication. Sankey diagrams are intuitive and easy for stakeholders to understand, making them a great tool for presenting project insights or reports. Training tool. They can help new team members quickly understand workflows and dependencies. 5. Recruitment use case for PMP. Applicant filtering insight. PMPs managing recruitment projects can use this diagram to evaluate the efficiency of the recruitment funnel. Strategic adjustments. For example, if many candidates fail at the initial screening stage, they might decide to adjust the criteria or provide clearer job descriptions. Practical applications for PMP. Cost flow, visualizing how budget allocations move through different project phases. Task dependencies, showing interdependencies and the flow of tasks within a project timeline. Energy or resource flow. In industries like manufacturing or IT, it can show how resources, example manpower, time, or energy, are consumed. Thank you.